Nosedive. In this challenge, the contestant must transfer 5 cotton balls, one at a time, from one bowl to another, using only their nose. To do this, the contestant uses petroleum jelly on the tip of their nose as a transfer agent. Too much makes the release into the bowl difficult. Too little may cause the cotton ball to drop prematurely. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds may result in elimination.
10, 9, 8.
Tilt-a-cup. In this challenge, the contestant must follow step-by-step instructions to create America's newest sensation, the tilt-a-cup. Step 1. Catch a bounced ping-pong ball in an 8-cup stack. Step 2. Move the bottom cup to the top. Step 3. Repeat until 6 balls have landed in their containers. Step 4. Stay focused. Each time a ball is added, the unpredictable tilt-a-cup grows less and less steady. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds may result in elimination. Speed eraser. Enough pencils are produced every year to circle the globe more than 60 times. Their purpose is twofold, one to write and the other to erase. However, in this challenge, contestants will attempt to bounce them into glasses positioned in a row. This must be repeated 7 times. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds may result in elimination. Coffee topper. The monotony of the 8-hour workday. Although painfully slow, it can fly by with a little help from minute-to-minute games. In this challenge, the contestant must drop compact discs a distance of 3 feet to land one on the mouth of a plastic cup. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds may result in elimination. Pop top. With its 9 tiny but powerful muscles, the human thumb enables man to use tools, write, and most importantly, flick bottle caps. In this challenge, the contestant must tap the soda tops off a table's edge one at a time in an attempt to land one in a center glass. Sometimes it pays to be all thumbs. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds may result in elimination. Sputnik. This is Sputnik, an Earth-orbiting satellite developed by the Soviet Union in 1957. This is Sputnik, an Idaho potato with bendy straws engineered in the minute-to-minute games department. In this challenge, the contestant will insert a total of 5 straws into Sputnik and then carefully balance a peanut chocolate-coated candy atop each one. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds may result in elimination. Magic carpet ride. In the timeless tale of Aladdin, a young boy transforms a carpet into a magical flying device. In this challenge, a grown-up will transform a standard bath mat into a household luge. Mimicking the push and pull motion of the inchworm, the contestant must race the upside-down mat through a preset obstacle course and across the finish line. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds may result in elimination. Tea party. What on earth do you get when you combine an American baseball cap with a very British bag of tea? The answer is an ideal minute-to-win-it game. In this challenge, the contestant must swing their head in an attempt to land 2 tea bags attached to either side of a hat onto the bill. Both tea bags must rest on the bill in order to win. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds may result in elimination. Junk in the trunk. This challenge begins with 8 ping pong balls loaded inside an empty tissue box, attached to the waist directly above the gluteus maximus. By jumping, shaking, bending, wriggling and even contorting, the contestant must get all 8 balls to exit the box. No hands allowed. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds may result in elimination. A bit fancy. Stacking 6 dice can be difficult. Balancing them atop a popsicle stick is even harder. Building a dice tower on a popsicle stick held in your mouth, now that's a minute to win it challenge. With a clenched jaw and ninja-like focus, the contestant must keep all 6 dice stacked for 3 full seconds. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds may result in elimination. Ready, spaghetti. In this challenge, 2 contestants will play as a team. How can 2 people pick up a soda can without touching it with their hands or body? By using their noodle, of course. The players must pass a piece of pasta through the tabs of soda cans in order to transfer them from one table to another and build a 3-can pyramid. Failure to complete this task in 60 seconds may result in elimination.